Hello everyone, today I'm here to give you a quick overview on how to perform hardware-in-the-loop simulation. The first step will be obviously to do the hardware setup, so to connect one of the autopilot of Veronte. In this case we will use a 1X autopilot to the computer to its proper harness. I will use a USB connection to the computer. The successive step will be the one to open Veronte link. So after opening Veronte link, it will be needed to check the status of the autopilot. In this case, we can see from this GUI the model of the autopilot is, as I told you, is 1X autopilot. The serial number, which is 4085. We can check also the firmware version and the connection with the computer. We can see that also the status of the connection itself with report connected, the status of the autopilot, which is in normal mode and ready to operate, and how is the configuration inside the autopilot. So we read the configuration and we can access it through the PDI builder. In this case, for this demo, I will use the Embention eVTOL configuration, which is a template in this available in the Embention cloud. So through the PDI builder, you can access it and use as a reference and check um, how the PDI configuration are built. After that, it will be possible to open the simulator. In this case, for this demo, we will use Explain 11. So now I can open Explain. In Explain, we will select the model of the platform that we want to use for the simulation. And we will see that now the platform will be ready. Now we will do the demo over the Alicante airport. After that, we can open Veronte HIL, which is our software to perform the hardware in the loop simulation. We can choose, in this case, as a simulator, explain 11 navigation. We have different choice. In this case, we will do the explain 11 navigation, which is in which we are just overwriting with the data coming out from explain the state which is estimated by our autopilot. So we are overwriting the navigation and therefore the AKF algorithm will be inactive in this case. And we can just start the simulation. So in this case, now the autopilot and explain are sending data each other, are exchanging data between themselves. And so now all the simulation is set. So now we will just need to open Veronte Ops and to start operating as it was in a normal operation. So in Veronte Ops, we can see now that the position of the platform it's the same of the one in explain, because this position are sent by explain to our um, application. And now we can start operating. So we can ask the autopilot to go in standby and we can arm the propeller. As you see, now the propeller are armed and explain, and now we can take off. So the platform will take off. So for me will be the same as operating in a real mission. Now the autopilot, the platform will go to takeoff, and following the um, configuration which is building the autopilot, after reaching the 20 meters of altitude, it will go to over. Um, Obviously, with the Veronte Ops, we can monitor the mission in real times. So we can put the widget we want. We can use also other workspace that are already built to check and monitor the mission. Now, in this demo, I want just to show you how to operate the mission. So I will just ask the platform to go to cruise, and we will see that now uh, the platform will start following the required path to go to the patch, which is our mission patch. So um, as in a real mission, we are free to use the Veronte panel to ask the autopilot to perform some maneuvers, some to change phase, and so on. So from now on, everything will be the same. So now we can wait the platform to follow a bit the uh, the, the trajectory, and then we can ask it to go to the return to home. So it will start just following this patch to go back to the takeoff point, and then from that point it will decelerate and will go back from the fixed wing mode to multicopter mode. So from my side, this is how to perform demo, um, how to perform SEAL simulation. Okay. From my side is everything on how to perform HIL simulation, because after setting up the simulator, so in this case explain and the to start Veronte HIL will be the same as operating. Uh, Thank you for the attention, and I invite you that don't hesitate to contact us if you require any further information, to consult the online user manual, to have all the information that you're looking for. See you in next videos.